Hey guys, this is Cyril Gupta, your friend in online marketing. Today I want to show you an amazing new plugin that will help boost your conversions by using Scarcity. Scarcity, as you might have heard, is a great technique to get more conversions, and as per my own experience and what I've heard from other internet marketers, Scarcity can boost your conversions by as much as 350%. And this plugin, WP Scarcity Jeet, is the most effective scarcity plugin ever created for WordPress with some fantastic features to make your conversions really go through the roof. Let me get into the admin of the plugin and show you how it works. WP Scarcity Jeet is very customizable. You can customize practically everything in the plugin, and it also has some amazing effects that you can use to grab the viewer's attention and to make him focus on the offer and the scarcity element. So let's do a quick review of the settings and how you can modify the plugin and its behavior. The first setting is of course apply to, and you can decide whether you want to show the plugin over the entire website, over all of the pages of the blog, or you can decide to show it only on certain pages by using the shortcode. So just select the shortcode only option, and then you will need to paste the shortcode in your blog post, and that's all you need to show the plugin on that, or show the WP Scarcity Jeet bar on that particular page. Right now let's keep it set to show on all pages as earlier. The next setting is of course the bar appearance, the appearance of the scarcity bar, and you can control many aspects of it. The first is of course the position. You can decide whether you want to show it at the top or at the bottom. You've already seen it action at the bottom. This is how it looks, and we can move it to the top if we want. Just click on the top and then go down and save settings, and let's see how it looks on the top. So now the bar is on the top, so you can decide whether you want to show it at the top or at the bottom. Then you can actually modify the gradient color very easily using this color selector. You can select the the color that you want to begin with. For example, let's start with this, and then you can select the color that you want to end with. So we could select something like this, maybe to nearly black or something, and again click on save settings, come back here, and the color changes. So it's very customizable. You can change the catch line, which is over here. You can select the catch line that you want to put in, like you can change the catch line. I can set anything I want. For example, this offer is valid only for, and come back here, save settings, check it out again, and it changes. You can also have an action button over here, which will either lead to your subscribe page or your squeeze page, or it can lead to your offer, or it can even be the PayPal payment button, anything you want. You can easily change the text of this page and also change the link where it goes to, and this can lead to any place you want. So this is where people can click, people can go to your offer or your squeeze page or wherever. Then you can actually show an image on WP Scarcity Jeet. It can be a product box, it can be a graphic, it can be a cartoon, it can be anything. Right now I have an anonymous and empty product image over here, but you can show anything you want, or you can choose to not show anything if you want. Right now I have selected to hide it, so it'll go away. If you want, you can just click on this link, put in the URL of the image that you want to show, put in the link that you want to redirect to if people click on that image, and click on save settings, and you will have that image on the scarcity bar as an overlay, which will attract even more people. Then you can actually select the time zone you want the bar to work in. So depending on the server time, you can select how long your offer will be valid. You can select to show years, months, days, hours, minutes, seconds, any time detail you want, any time extension you want. For example, right now it's set to days, hours, minutes and seconds, but I can set it to hours, minutes and seconds. Click on save settings, and now it will show me only the hours, minutes and seconds, and it automatically aligns itself, it automatically resizes itself depending on the mode that you've selected. And here's something very interesting. This bar has some awesome effects which will actually boost the conversions, which will actually redirect the attention of the viewer on the bar itself. Let me show you. Click on effect, then click on you have the option to either go for slide in or for fade in. You can click on slide in, then set the delay. Right now it's set to 3000 milliseconds or 3 seconds actually, and the transition time, and click on save settings. You can choose anything you want for these settings. Now when you come back here to your blog, you refresh the page, the plugin won't show in the beginning, but after the time interval passes, it will appear on the screen with the effect that you selected. And imagine the impact of this. The attention of the viewer is immediately directed to your scarcity offer, immediately focused on your important offer, and you can really boost the conversion using this little addition. You can also go for the fade in. Let's check out the fade in. Click on save settings, and let's refresh it, and the plugin will fade in. You can make it fade in slower or faster, any way you want. For example, now I'm gonna make the fade in a bit slower and gonna check it again. So after 3 seconds you will get a fade in which will be a bit slower than earlier. So you see it now. This way you can actually really boost your conversions. You can keep the viewer focused on your offer, and you can play with the design any which way you want. You can put in your own custom graphic, your own custom slogan, your own custom button. You can actually change the color of the button also if you want. For example, I'm gonna change it to this color. Click on save settings. When I come back here, when I refresh, I have my own customized bar which will fade in with my custom text, with my custom button. And you can, this way you can easily endlessly customize your scarcity bar. You can color it the way you want, you can use the graphics you want, and make a very unique scarcity bar that really grabs the attention of the viewers, that really shoots up your conversions. This right now is the best scarcity bar available for WordPress, with some amazing features that nobody else has. And I can guarantee that using this in your WordPress blogs, in your websites, in your sales copies, in whatever sales pages you have, is really going to help your conversions. One final thing I want to show you, it also lets you decide what you want to do when the conversion bar expires. You can either redirect people to a different page, or do whatever you want. If you want, you can disable it, and that's perfectly fine. So I hope you enjoy this bar, and it really helps you in your own offers. It really helps you get better conversions, and that you will join me in using this awesome plugin to get a boost of sales.